So this is about the mission, vision, and background of myself, Jeremy Belter. So let's talk about the vision and mission. The vision is to educate, empower, and transform thousands of lives towards optimal health, wealth, and wisdom. So I want to thank you for whichever program that you have invested in, and I want to help this to be my vision for you. And if you're part of this, you're one of the thousands that I'm helping. The mission is to be a super Christianpreneur, which is a Christian entrepreneur, by further developing my God-given abilities for servant leadership in areas of health, wealth, business, and wisdom. I've taken lots of time to come up with the mission and the vision, so if it resonates with you, I appreciate it. And if you have any questions or you think that it could be tweaked in any ways, please let me know. I would appreciate any feedback. Core value. So I'm going to talk about all the core values here. Humility. Humility kind of gets a bad rap. I think humility sometimes is portrayed as something that is being walked on. No, it's something that says that all people are equal, that we can provide value for others, and being humble about our successes and focusing on that and never letting our pride and ego get in the way. Nobody's perfect. However, and I'm a work in progress just like everybody else. Having humility, the more successful somebody gets, is, I think, a key to building a foundation of success and continuing that success. So humility. Respect. I respect humans, I respect others, and I think that's important. I believe in the golden rule, which is all about respect. Do unto others as you'd have done unto you. Perseverance. Like all of you, I'm sure, I've had some perseverance that has been needed to be able to create these Udemy programs, to be able to be successful in business. I've had to change things. I've had to persevere through some hardships and some things where I wanted to give up on business in general and just go get a job. However, I just felt like that was not my mission and my vision, and it wasn't part of my core values. So I've kept going, and here I am today, and hopefully I can help and serve you. Servant leadership. So I talked about serving already. Servant leadership is, I believe, a key trait. You have to be able to learn and have to be humble to be a servant leader. Servant leader means doing what's best for the client and really stepping in their shoes and humbling yourselves to be that leader and to provide that service for the greater community, for your local community. Courage. Being an entrepreneur, starting programs, not having a steady paycheck, doing things that require courage, and that's something that is part of my core value and something that I constantly work at because, fears can set in, and sometimes courage can be the riskier thing, the thing that's not safe and stable. Trust. So I had the privilege and the opportunity recently to ask my clients about the 49 personality archetypes. That's not my creation. That was created by a lady by the last name of Hogshead. It's kind of hard to forget that name. And her first name is Sally. So Sally Hogshead created this program, and you take a test online. It's an awesome test, so I do recommend it. However, the point that I want to make is you actually take the test of how you think people see you, but I had the privilege to ask some of my clients, and trust was number 1 or 2 in pretty much all of the clients that I asked. So I'm humbled by that, but I'm also thankful because at the same time, I'm thankful because it focuses on something that I think we've lost in our society, and that's trust. And I think trust is developed over time. And hopefully, I can earn your trust that I will do my best to create programs and services that will help you in the future. Generosity. I believe when more is given, more is to be expected, and more is to be given. However, on the same token, entrepreneurs lots of times will give a lot. I know that fitness professionals and nutritional people, sometimes they are so generous that they give too much away, if you will, that they aren't able to make a living. And I won't go into all the details about that and bore you, but generosity is another core value of mine. And then finally, I think all-encompassing is wisdom. Wisdom is something that is so profound in my view. I even created a program on it. The key is to focus on wisdom, which comes with time, experience, I think prayers, leadership, and just, wisdom that comes from above. And I won't go into all the details about my faith, but wisdom is key, and I always try to do what is wise based upon experience, based upon doing the right thing, based upon what, for me and my faith, what God would want. About the clients. So this is about clients that I've had and about clients that I want to continue to attract. Baby boomers and retirees. The reason that I work with them is because a lot of times they have been confused, and I specialize in this part, especially locally with my fitness business, because I feel like I can really help them, identify with them well. They like working with me. I like working with them. So, and I'm going to be creating programs for baby boomers and retirees in the future that are specific to them. Fitness professionals and health professionals. One thing that I have, a goal is to be able to help 1,000 people transform their life, and a way to do that is to help 100 fitness professionals and health professionals make more money in their business. So I'm going to be coming out with a program with that, and I'm already developing that. I've been involved with a program, and I'll talk about it just a little bit in the future, but I don't want to bore you with it. Past athletes and high achieving professionals. Weight management and weight loss without the quick fixes and fad diets. I've been doing this for a long time in the fitness industry, health profession, and I've learned that weight management and weight loss is really about habits and foundation, not about quick fixes. That doesn't mean that there aren't supplements and there aren't different diet plans that can help or give you some quick results, but you also want the foundation of long-lasting results. They are attracted to the mission and vision and core values that I've set forth. So highlights, and I'm going to really go fast with this because I don't want to, like I said, I don't want to bore you with all the things about me. What I want to do is I want to help and serve you. So as a two-sport college athlete, I graduated from Wisconsin Lutheran College. I'm the owner of Fitness Revolution in Brookfield. I'm a Blend Fresh consultant and coach. And that's what I was talking about before, how I can help fitness professionals and I can help health professionals make more money in their business. Train over 20,000 training sessions, 8 different fitness and nutrition certifications, certified personal trainer for over 12 years, premium Udemy instructor with 8 courses and quickly approaching 1,000 students. And I've gotten pretty good reviews overall, and I appreciate those reviews. And I really want to make all of my programs 5-star. I want the content that is there. I want the engagement. Unfortunately, right now I have to be on a low budget, but the better I do, the better the programs can be. So I'm excited to keep growing with the Udemy and my programs. 12 5-stars on Thumbtack, 7 5-stars on Udemy, flagship Udemy program called Ultimate Weight Management Game Plan. That is the one that's all you would need for weight loss and weight management in my opinion. And I challenge you to take the course and let me know what your thoughts are. member of Toastmasters International High Point Club in Brookfield, Wisconsin, and I served over $500,000 in fitness and nutrition programs. I've trained wealthy business owners, college athletes, and former Olympic athletes. So those are some of the highlights that I've done over the years, and I hope that you enjoyed this. Most importantly, I hope that it will help you understand and trust that I want what's in the best interest of you, and I really want to help and serve you in your results, in your goals, and what you want to accomplish. Please, if there's any programs or services or things that you want created, please let me know. I have about 5 or 10 in the works, and I want to continually grow this so that I can help and serve more people. Finally, finishing up testimonials. I won't go into all the details, but basically this person was so pleased with the emphasis on injury prevention, and I want to give you an update. This person has lost about 15 to 20 pounds when they thought that it wasn't possible. So I'm currently working with this person, and they're doing amazing. I am also currently working with this person. Jeremy has also played a significant part in rehabbing my chronic back pain. He suggested stretches, change exercise and workouts, and is constantly monitoring my progress. This person was working out a lot. She was kind of doing too much in my eyes. I think less is more when it comes to exercise. I'm not talking about not progressing. I'm talking about let's have an overall foundation and view of where we're at so we can get to where you're going. With exercise, more is usually better. Less is more, if you will. And we really need to work on the foundation. So I'm thinking about creating a program that just kind of talks about the foundational parts of weight loss and really health, and then moving up in the exercise, and then moving up to specifics like nutritional supplements and things like that, the minutia that people focus on when really all they need to focus on is the foundation. And then finally, I'm a 29-year-old woman, been working with Jeremy for 2 years. I've tried everything, and Jeremy is the only one who helped me lose weight. So one thing that I really focus on is lifestyle changes before we just focus on the exercise, and those are in some of my other programs. So, I challenge you to look out, and I don't want this to be, I don't want to bore you with all the details, and I don't want this to be about selling other programs, but you can see how people have appreciated that they've struggled, and when they aren't struggling, and by the way, the first person as well has kind of been stuck for 5 or 10 years, and now they feel like they have hope again, and then I give people hope, and I give them the trust that I have their best interest, and that I'm going to help them. Thank you for listening. I appreciate you and look forward to your continued success.